Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to lesson 139 in arithmetic. Let's get started on your review. Okay, let's start here with your multiplication and division tables for number 12. Repeat after me, clap between each one. 0 times 12 equals 0. 1 times 12 equals 12. 2 times 12 equals 24. 3 times 12 equals 36. 4 times 12 equals 48. 5 times 12 equals 60. 6 times 12 equals 72. 7 times 12 equals 84. 8 times 12 equals 96. 9 times 12 equals 108. 10 times 12 equals 120. 11 times 12 equals 132. 12 times 12 equals 144. Good. Let's try 3 claps between each division problem. 0 divided by 12 equals 0. 12 divided by 12 equals 1. 24 divided by 12 equals 2. 36 divided by 12 equals 3. 48 divided by 12 equals 4. 60 divided by 12 equals 5. 72 divided by 12 equals 6. 84 divided by 12 equals 7. 96 divided by 12 equals 8. 108 divided by 12 equals 9. 120 divided by 12 equals 10. 132 divided by 12 equals 11. 144 divided by 12 equals 12. Very good. How about your 4 multiplication and division table? Okay, let's stick with 3 times. Let's clap 3 times in between. 0 times 4 equals 0. 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 3 times 4 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 5 times 4 equals 20. 6 times 4 equals 24. 7 times 4 equals 28. 8 times 4 equals 32. 9 times 4 equals 36. 10 times 4 equals 40. 11 times 4 equals 44. 12 times 4 equals 48. 0 divided by 4 equals 0. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. I can't clap any more, boys and girls. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. 40 divided by 4 equals 10. 44 divided by 4 equals 11. 44 divided by 4 equals 12. All right, boys and girls, good job. So go ahead and repeat after me, and then we'll try it by yourselves. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 leap year equals 366 days. 1 year equals 365 days. 1 year equals 12 months. 1 week equals 7 days. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Very good. Let's shuffle these around a little bit and let's see how quick you are. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's be quick. 1 leap year is 366 days. 1 year equals 12 months. You guys are fast. 1 week equals 7 days. 1 foot equals, good, 12 inches. Think about a ruler. A ruler has 12 inches. 1 day equals 24 hours. Excellent. 1 hour equals 60 minutes in an hour. And 1 minute, 60 seconds. How about a pound? Think about a pound of cheese. 16 ounces. 16 ounces. Very good. And a year, just 1 year, 365 days. Excellent job. Okay, so today I want to talk a little bit more about money. everybody likes to talk about money when I get to this topic, so I'm a little bit excited. I wanted to review adding money together first, and then we're going to talk about what happens when we need to get money back from the clerk at the store. But first, let's talk about this. What happens if I give you one $10 bill and one $5 bill? How much money would you have? That's right, $15. Very good. And what if I gave you a $50 and 4 quarters? Well, you know that quarters are 25 cents. 4 of them is $1, plus the $50 that I gave you originally, $1.50, $1.50. Excellent. How about if I gave you 7 dimes? Think about this, 7 dimes. I gave you 2 nickels. Add them up. And 1 penny. What would you say I had? How much money? I'll repeat. 7 dimes, 2 nickels, and 1 penny. How much money do I have? Awesome. 81 cents is correct. Let's see this. If I gave you 2 $20 bills and I gave you a $10 bill, how much money would you have? Excellent. You would have $30. Good job. That is incorrect. I don't know why I said good job, but you got that wrong. Let's do that again. 2 $20 bills, that's 20 plus 20 is 40, and 1 $10 bill. Good. Make sure that you add that correctly. That's $50. Excellent job. Keeping me on my toes. Excellent. So right now we're going to talk about making change. Everybody's been to the store. Everybody has been with mom and dad to the store. Maybe not during this time, but you have been to the store. And let's say mom is going to give the clerk some money to pay for her items. She's going to need to get some change back if she gives too much. So here's the situation. Johnny bought a space poster, a poster about space, for his bedroom. The poster cost $7.45. Think about that, $7.45. But mom only had a $20 bill in her pocket. So she took out that $20 bill, see here, and she gave it to the clerk. Now, she needs to get some change back because she gave the clerk too much money. Let's think about that. If we took $20 and we subtracted the amount that the poster cost, which was $7.45, how much money would I have to get back? Go ahead and figure it out. It might take you a while, right? I'm going to show you a good way to do that. Let's go ahead and find a few ways. The first is to write it down. I have $20, and she said it cost $7.45, and I'm going to subtract. Let's see if you remember how to subtract this. 0 minus 5 I cannot do, so I borrow, and I can't, so I borrow, and I can't, so I borrow here. This turns into a 1, and this turns into a 10. Do you remember how to do this? You borrow from him, he turns into a 9, and he can give it to this one. Now we borrow again, back into a 9, and this one turns into a 10. Okay? So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. No. Yeah. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 1 minus nothing is 1. So you should get back $12.55. Okay? But you need to know which dollars and coins you are supposed to get back. So I've created a chart to help us. Let's see if we can get this chart up here. Okay. So, I have this chart up here. The chart says $20, $10, $5, all of my forms of money. I need to know I'm going to be counting backwards, okay? So we're going to count backwards. $12.55. How is the best way to make change? For $12, what's the largest one? $12 would be a $10 bill. How many $20 bills? None. You don't need any here. A $5 bill. Do you need that? If I add $5 to $10, wouldn't that be more than my $12? Good. So you don't need any $5 bills. How about $1 bills? Yes. How many would you need to get to my number of $12.45? Good job. That's $2 bills. How about quarters? How many quarters would you need to get to 45 cents? Well, let's count them. Let's say a quarter is worth 25, so we would have 1. Can I get another one? 25 plus 25 is 50. So that would be too much. So 1 quarter would be 25. If I added a dime, that would be 35. Can I add another dime? That would be 45. Excellent. So I would need 2 dimes, and I would have $12.45. So I need no nickels, and I need no pennies. And that's how we would fill out that chart. Okay, so I have your worksheet out here. Again, we're making change, and I wanted to keep this up so that you can see where the money is going. So the first one you have says $10, and you are giving the clerk enough for money to buy something that's worth $3.29. Again, you could sit there and subtract and do the work here, and then they're asking you to put the information here. So $10 minus $3.29. Remember, we're going to take out all those zeros and take out this 1. The 1 we subtract 1 and it becomes 0. This one you subtract becomes 10 and then 9, 10 and then 9 and then 10. Okay, go back to this subtraction video if you are having some issues subtracting that way. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, $6.71. So let's talk about $6.71. How many pennies, nickels, dimes, and dollar bills do I need? $6. What's the best way to make $6? You can have $6 bills, but what's the best way? You could have 1 $5 bill and then 1 $1 bill. That's the best way to make $6 instead of counting out $6 bills. You want the least amount of money. Not the amount of money, but the least amount of items to give back. So you have $6. Now you need 71 cents. The best way to do that is to count by the biggest value. Quarters are the biggest value. So I'm going to count by quarters. 25, 50, 75. But 75 is too many. So I need how many quarters? 2. Excellent. That gives me 50 cents. Again, my number here is 71. 50 dimes are worth 10 cents, so count by tens. 50, 60, 70. How many? 2. And I need 71. Do I need any nickels? That would be 75. Too much. Do I need pennies? I need 1 penny. Excellent. You fill that out on your worksheet. Okay? I'm going to do the story problem with you, and then you are going to finish on your own. The story problem says, Max bought a model rocket kit for $13.51. Let's write it here, $13.51. And a small jar of silver paint for $3. Max gave the clerk $20. So this said and because we're buying both of them, and then they gave the clerk $20. We're going to add the items they bought. 1 plus 0 is 1, 5 plus 0 is 5, 3 plus 3 is 6, 1 plus nothing is 1. We add our decimals and our dollar sign. Now, again, this is the amount that it cost. This is the amount that they gave to the clerk. They gave the clerk $20 and they need to subtract the amount that it cost. Let's do that together. These are all zeros, and this turns into a 1. Remember, 10 and then a 9, 10 and then a 9, and 10. 10 minus 1 equals 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 1 minus 1 is 1. So this is your answer. Now, they want the answer in this form. How much of each coin or dollar should we get? Okay, so let's do that one together as well. Here we go. $3.59. Do we need any $20 bills? No. Do we need any $10 bills? No. Do we need any $5 bills? That's too much. $1 bills. How many $1 bills? 3. How about quarters? Well, quarters count by 25, so let's count. 25, 50. Isn't that getting close? So how many quarters? 2. How many dimes? We're at 50. If we get a dime, it would be 60. That's too much. 0. How about nickels? We're at 50. We need to get to 59. How many nickels? 1, and that would give us how much? 3.55. How many pennies? 56, 57, 58, 59. How many pennies? 4. Excellent job. Go ahead and finish this front and back for homework, and we will see you back for lesson 140 tomorrow. Have a great day.